Okay, so today we are going to do some shopping, try to get some travel related items on the cheap because today is a holiday. So there's going to be some pretty good sales for, I don't know, luggage or general things. So let's see what we can find. Where's Evelyn?
Are we on vacation? She's in the back corner. Lives around here that drives a similar kind of scooter. The cost of gas there. That's actually come down. It was $4.20.
So let's see here. Damn prices. Okay, so $54. It's not bad. Oh, that one? Now, how much things are you going to be able to fit in here, though?
Yeah, this one is pretty small.
Alright. I mean, it could work. Try to purposely downsize is this thing, right? So, but how much was that though? $50. That was 29. Oh, so 29. What's that?
That's as tall as her.
All right.
So they don't. They seem like they are. There's not sale.
Oh, just not sale. Okay. So there's not a sale right now. It looks like. So I was hoping to come on a holiday and find some good sales, but that's not happening. Okay. Now, having not traveled before, I'm not sure what's going to be the most practical as far as luggages, the size to get. I'm going to be doing initial travel by backpack, so I think something in a backpack version is going to have to be a good thing here pretty soon. This could be good for a quick trip back and forth within the States even. And how much was it? I don't see a price on here. It says 30 liters, I guess. We'll see. Oh. So I can probably guess that other one is $30 as well.
Oh no! Is
It
this?
looks kind of fun, so. Oh, that's cool.
So this is also an expander.
Oh,
Make
okay.
it bigger. And it has lots of little pockets on the inside.
Yeah.
Of course, then you have this strappy thing.
Yeah, I think I like the other one better because this one's waterproof kind of feel.
You like the other one better? than
Maybe.
this one?
Yeah. $74.
And at Those pennies are like 160. For the big, this is the biggest one.
Oh wow.
And this is, and then you have to pay attention to the labeling because sometimes like this one has extra stuff inside of this.
Oh okay.
So this, it actually says,
Would we want to travel with something this big though? This looks massive. You know? I don't know. Because like, if we had like 4 of these.
yeah, everyone is going to need one.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying like.
Yeah.
I was envisioning that we would not have a lot of stuff to be carrying back and forth from places.
Well, but if you have one good luggage and then everybody has their backpack.
Mm-hmm. Right. What about things of this size? Like, that's probably the same, but like
That is that size.
something slightly smaller. Because like if we have a smaller, what was it called? A smaller luggage, you pay less fees, right? Or is that how it works? I don't know.
There is the standard luggage size type of situation.
Yeah.
So you have to look at the airline to know what the size is.
Yeah. Okay.
And then from there,
Hello.
Hello.
you would have to look and see what the size like on here, and then compare to what the airline says that they will allow.
Right.
I mean, there are people who travel with these.
That's
This
big.
is what you're not understanding is that you are allowed so many checked bags,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then you have so many carry-ons, and ladies get a purse and a carry-on,
Right.
so that's different.
Like, I probably wouldn't. I wanted to look to see. Oh yeah. I wanted to see what were the options to see if, especially if there's a sale, then get
I'm
something.
in the wrong place to get a sale. Don't come to Ross for sale.
Okay.
So, but last time they had things on sale at like JCPenney's, I did some looking and I sent you text messages of the things that were on sale of the pictures. I deleted them off my phone now.
No, I don't remember that, but okay. Yeah. Anyways,
Of luggage things.
so you think we should go to JCPenney's then?
I don't. What I'm telling you is, the things that were on sale at that time compared to what these are,
Uh huh.
was not that much difference in price. Their on sale is basically what these are.
Oh, okay.
And last time I went was when Ethan was getting ready for prom, so it was not that long ago. Bigger people will definitely need, bigger ones to fit all the things. You might get away with the girls being able to share one, and you could even probably put dog stuff in their same backpack or their same suitcase.
Right.
You know what I mean? That would be 3 people, or 2 kids and a dog with the big one.
I don't know.
And then deciding whether or not we think that they need another side thing or not.
Okay, so I think the only thing we're gonna get then is probably just this. It's $30 ish. Should be, right? Yeah, 35. Hey guys, knock it off. And then now we have a pretty broad base idea of how much these luggage just cost. We'll keep on shopping around at different places. But
And
yeah,
also compare texture. So you've got this
right.
versus.
Yeah. Okay.
I think most of them spin 360 these days.
360. Oh yeah, 3. As far as the rollers.
Yeah. They didn't used to back in the day.
All right. Okay. I would hope that maybe all of our crap for each person can fit in one of these. I hope so, because I would really not like to have something this big. You know, that feels like traveling like with a large amount of stuff. Maybe we'll have one of that for like maybe you and some important things, but everybody else keeps towards the sides like this. That's what I think. So
So I guess it depends on how you're going to get other things where you need to go, like, you know, blankets and stuff like that.
yeah, we hopefully won't carry a lot of blankets.
I know that, but they all have the homemade blanket that I made them.
I know, but it'll just have to be. Well, some things will not be let go. It's just gonna. That's what I'm thinking. It's gonna have to happen. That something like that is going to be way too gigantic and way too big. Because like that times 6 of us, that's a ton of stuff. You're imagining like lugging it through places like in Vietnam, taxis and all these stuff. Whereas this is going to be more compact and it gives us more mobility in general from going from one place to another. Anyways. So this is a memory foam. It's cooling, but we won't get it right now, but just so we have it. All right, so we're done shopping for luggage. I don't know. While in the store, I was just kind of like, I don't know. It's too much information to kind of consume all at once, trying to figure out what's going to be the best thing. My thought process with all of it was I'm envisioning we're at the airport needing to transition from sort of the gate over to taxis and vans and so forth to transport us to our hotel. And with as busy as traffic can be, carrying multiple luggages that are massive and trying to navigate very skinny aisles could be very difficult to navigate. So
with a lot of bodies.
Yeah, with a lot of bodies.
Yeah.
So what do you think about like all the stuff we shop for? Like,
well, I think you can buy accessories at any point, so
Right.
we shouldn't really have to worry about pillows and all that kind of stuff.
right. Especially with Vietnam and Thailand, a lot of the apartments are furnished already, so
Right.
like everything comes ready for you. So,
Right. I was really surprised when we learned that, and just makes traveling that much easier.
Yeah.
So really, truly, what we were looking for today was getting an eyeball on the luggage and whether or not we are going to have to like make special savings or how expensive they are.
Yeah.
You know. So what you can see from the video is $30 for a kid cheap, just so they feel like they're involved, which is really kind of a joke.
Right.
But
Not practical.
Or not practical. So the adult ones are like 50 for a smallish, and then medium runs you like 75, and then we saw a lot of the larger ones were around 100, but then they did have some that were like 125. So
Yeah. So you had said you went to J.C. Penney's and some other stores, and the prices were like a lot more.
at the time they're having a sale, getting ready for summer or something or other, and they were basically the same price as what you see in the video, and they were on sale. So and they had the same type of thing where they have, you know, the small, medium, large. The thing that they have is you can get like a whole set, so you get 3 in the set depending on the price that you choose. It's a whole thing.
Yeah.
So but looking at the pieces individually, they are around what we saw today when they were on sale.
Yeah.
So
All right. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. At least we're not ready to buy them yet. We have about a year out or so, and before we like actually like need to get out of the States. But yeah, we're making the plans necessary to make that transition ultimately easy. And probably when we do buy the luggages, it's going to be like one every 2 months. So by the time, so it's not going to be a one-time upfront cost. so it's sort of distributed throughout time. So anyways, like, subscribe to the video, to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.